Hello dear friends, if you wanna delete all your Facebook following list at once, then this video is for you. First, open your Facebook app and near the top left corner click on your profile picture. Just click on following and then all your following list will come up here. See, there are mainly two ways to delete your Facebook following list. The primary way to delete your Facebook following list is to delete one by one. And I think you know this. Just click on this three dot icon at the right side of your following list and now select the middle option, unfollow. But if you have a very long following list here and if you wanna unfollow them at once, Facebook hasn't given any direct option to do this. Instead of that, you gotta deactivate your Facebook profile. Once you deactivate your Facebook profile, all your following list will be deleted. But remember one very important thing, if you deactivate your Facebook account, besides your following list, all your friends and followers will also be deleted. So if you want to delete only your following list and not your friends and followers, it wouldn't be a good idea to deactivate your account. But if you don't care about your followers and friends, then go ahead and deactivate your account. So now I'm gonna show you how can you deactivate your account. So let's go. First, open your Facebook app and now at the top right corner click on the trillion icon and at the top right corner click on the settings icon. So you gotta click on see more in account center here. Now click on personal details. Now select the last option, account ownership and control. Now you get two more options here, memorialization and deactivation or deletion. So select the second option, deactivation or deletion. And now you'll see your Facebook name, just click on it. Again, you will get these two options, deactivate your account and delete your account. Select the first option, deactivate your account and now click on continue. And now you will be asked to enter your password. After entering your password, just click on continue at the bottom and then your account will be deactivated. And once your account is deactivated, you will be logged out from Facebook. And after that, to reactivate your account, you gotta enter your login details to log in your account, okay? And then your account will be reactivated. And all your friends, followers, and your following list will be deleted. And I hope this video will help you to delete all your Facebook following list at once. And if you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.